Hey guys, it's Kate and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming a... Is that up right? Okay, just making sure it's not upside down. November Sipsby unboxing. I am very excited. I love this monthly unboxing, or this monthly box rather, and I love unboxing it on here for you. If you guys want to see, I think it was January through maybe July or August's box for 2020. I have those on my Instagram stories saved, and I think this is now my third video that I've put out on my channel. So I think I did September, October, and now November. Regardless, I've got them all saved on my Instagram if you're curious to see previous boxes. What Sipsby is a monthly subscription service. It is $15 a month. You sign up and take a very brief quiz indicating the types of teas as far as like black, green, herbal, and style, loose leaf or pre-bagged, and then they send you teas based on those preferences. So let's go ahead and get started. I am working very quickly, or trying to anyway, because I am running low on light. It is now starting to get dark around 5:36. And I got home from work at 4, so I'm already on borrowed time. Right inside you've got the spoiler card, so it says it is made for you with a description of each of the teas. So I'll read that as I pick up each tea. The first one that I'm seeing right out of the gate is this pumpkin spice, the Republic of Tea, seasonal round black tea bag. So this is what the bag looks like. And reading my card, it says, pumpkin spice Sipsby, the Republic of Tea, 1 bag per 8-ounce water, steeped in 212 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 5 minutes. This is a high caffeine tea. Cozy up with this blend of black tea and fall spices. Energizing black tea wards off the chill of the fall season, and a splash of milk transforms this tea into pumpkin pie in a cup. And if you use the code SIPSBYTROT, you can buy 3 get 1 free on their website, which is really cool. Their Instagram is @RepublicOfTea. So that was my first one. Next thing I'm seeing is huge. This is Tea Lyra, the Galaxy of Teas, and is a cream Earl Grey in Moonlight. This is cool. So this is what the packaging looks like. This one says, organic cream Earl Grey Moonlight, Sipsby Tea Lyra, 1 sachet per 8 ounces of water, steeped in 205 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 4 minutes. This is medium caffeine. With a distinctive citrusy body and a hint of French vanilla, this blend offers a rich and robust Earl Grey experience, lightened and lifted by mellow cream and floral notes. You can get 25% off with the code SIPS170, and their Instagram is @TeaLyraTea. So that is that one there. I definitely have had Earl Grey before. I don't know if I'm familiar with a cream Earl Grey. If it's the tea leaves themselves are different or how it's made, but this is very interesting and I'm very excited to try that. Third one I'm seeing in the box is an organic India Tulsi peppermint. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Tulsi peppermint Sipsby organic India, 1 bag per 8 ounces of water, steeped in 208 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 10 minutes. This one is caffeine free. Revered in India as the queen of herbs, Tulsi, holy basil, supports stress, mood, the immune system, and detoxification. This blend is refreshing and restorative. I love that. 20% off with the code SIPSBY2020, and their Instagram is @OrganicIndiaUSA. Very excited by this. I do have a peppermint tea from my previous box, I believe, that I am still working through because the ones that I really enjoy, I kind of space out so I can savor them a little bit longer. I really should go onto the website and order full sizes of my favorites, because that's another thing you can do is you can go back on in your account and rate the teas that you were given in your box. So the computer generated system has a better idea of what you really favor over others. And with these coupons, I really should be taking advantage of that and purchasing some full teas. The last one in my box is this Steep Echo. I don't know what flavor this is, so let's read our cheat sheet. 10 sips by Steep Echo, 1 sachet per 6 to 8 ounces of water. Steep in 212 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes. This one is caffeine free as well. This flavorful blend of the finest natural olive leaf, corn silk, and couch grass with fruity notes is a gentle keeper of health, attending to proper digestion along a steady course. I am so intrigued. I have like no sense of what this is going to taste like. Olive leaf, corn silk, and couch grass. I feel like this is going to be really herbal, very earthy, and I don't know if I'm going to love that so much, but I'm absolutely going to give it a try. And that's what's wonderful about this box is you're not spending the money on a full-size product and then not enjoying it and ending up having to gift it to somebody else that would enjoy it or possibly throw it out. You can try these out. That's so crazy. 15% off with the code SIPSBY15, and their Instagram is at Steep Echo Tea. Very cool. So all of your information, like I said, is on this little cheat sheet for you. And there's also an additional card that says Merry and Bright, which is so cute. And I feel like for people that watch my channel for Disney, if you have a Disney pin collection, I know it's very popular to have Disney pin boards that can be changed out seasonally. I feel like this would be really sweet on a Christmas board. I just really like the kind of more muted red, and the stars all along I think are really cute. But it says, treat yourself to cups of cheer. Happy holidays from the whole Sipsby team. Cute. To you and yours. When you're ready to stock up on more tea to keep you warm and cozy this season, use this code to take $5 off in our holiday market, sipsby.com/holiday market, and the code is holiday5. You can also gift the joy of tea discovery. Save on a personalized gift to the tea lover in your life this holiday with a Sipsby box gift card, sipsby.com/gift, and then it gives you different codes for different monthly subscriptions, either 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month. That is really nice. So if you love your box and you're wanting to pay it forward to another tea lover, you can get them a subscription for Christmas. That's a wonderful idea because it's something very thoughtful, yet they can go in and personalize it and have it totally be customized to them and their tea loving needs and preferences. I think that is so, so cool. All right, that was my November Sipsby unboxing. As always, I am very intrigued by some of those, specifically that corn silk couch grass one. I really have no idea what that one will taste like, but really, really happy with my box this month. I am going to take you guys downstairs and show you my setup for November. It's incredibly simple. I did like a s'mores theme because it's definitely in transition between Halloween and Christmas. So it's very light, very simple, but still functional and sweet, and I wanted to show you that. So let's go downstairs and take a look. Okay guys, so here is my tea station for November. As I said, it is incredibly plain, especially compared to decor I am used to doing for my tea board, but as it is just a transitional month from Halloween to Christmas, I really wanted to do something simple because it's usually a lot. So like I said, I did a light s'more theme. I've got this really fun Campfire S'mores Co. garland, marshmallow chocolate graham cracker little block stack, and in the back this little glass container of s'mores with melted chocolate on little twigs with gingham ribbon. It's really sweet. And these are all of my Sipsby teas. So I'm not joking when I say I love Sipsby and I have them all out in my tea stand all the time. I've got them all right there. There's my Sipsby muslin cloths in there. I mean, I'm like fully stacked. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of rearranging to get November's teas to fit. but that's okay. I'm working through them. Okay guys, so that was my video for today. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos on this channel. I typically upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but as this is just a hobby of mine and not my full-time job, if there are days that I cannot get a video out, I don't want to just film and post for the sake of doing so. I want it to actually be enjoyable content that not only I enjoy, but hopefully you would enjoy as well. So I won't post for the sake of posting, but I do try to be pretty consistent. So make sure you're subscribed so you stick around and check those out. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye.